Hello and welcome guys, my name is Netik Bal and you are watching Techy YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to recover your Gmail or Google account if you have forgot the password of your Gmail account. Let's jump into the video. Hello guys, there are two scenarios if you have forgot your Google account. In first scenario, your account is still logged in your device, and in second scenario, your account is not logged in your Google account. I will tell the tutorial about the both scenarios. So let's jump into the first scenario. For the first scenario, you have to open the Gmail application. Here your account is logged in. So click on the profile icon and click on Google account. Here you have to scroll right and click on the security tab. Here you have to scroll down and click on the password. Here you have forgot your password, so you have to click on forgot password. Here click on the continue and verify yourself. After verifying, you can create new password and confirm it. After re-entering your new password, click on the change password and click on change password again. Your password has changed and now you have recovered your Google account successfully. For second scenario, you must have to open a browser. After coming to your browser, click on the sign in button. Or you can search for Google account sign in and click on the first link. Here you have to add the email address you want to recover. I am adding mine. After adding your email address, click on next. Here you have forget your password, so you have to click on forgot password. After this, Google will ask you to add your last password, but you don't remember it. If you remember any of your password, you can enter it. I am clicking on try another way. After this, Google will send a prompt on my phone. I am allowing it. After verifying this, I can click on update password and change the password of my Google account. I am creating new password. After creating new password, click on save password. Click on change password. After this, click on the continue button. Now you have recovered your Google account and created a new password for it. In my case, Google sent me a prompt, but in your case, Google can send you a verification code on your email address or your phone number. So enter those verification codes to recover your Google account. If this video helped you, please click on the like button. If you have any problem, type in the comment section. I will solve your problem as soon as possible. This is me, Genetic Ball, signing out.